we are going to be working a little bit on this faceplate right here. Uses a revolve feature, circular holes, and it has a keyway right in there. Some of the geometry is a little bit complicated, so be prepared to stop this video and do it step by step along as I do it. So let's get started with the actual part. So new part, create 2D sketch, same thing that we've always been doing. We're going to start on the rotational geometry. We are just going to pop in a horizontal line that's 2 inches long right there, and we are going to change it to a construction line so that, see how it goes dotted right there? Construction line, so that it really doesn't mean that it's there, it's just an imaginary line. Now from there we're going to click off construction. Oops. Turn that back to a construction line. We're going to draw another line, make it 1 inch long. Now we have to locate this line 0.375 inches away. So I'm going to click on dimension right there and change it to 0.375. So now we have two parallel lines. One is a construction, one is a solid, 0.375 inches away. Now next, after this, we are going to coincident constraint. You can see how it latches on right there. I've got the dotted line coming down. We are going to draw a 1 inch vertical line from there and a 1/2 inch horizontal line from there. Delete that dimension. And now we trim that part right there. So we have this up and over. Now from here, we need to draw a, let's see, 2.5 inch line straight up. So the same thing, see how it goes dotted there? Click on the horizontal, and we are going to go 2.5 straight up. 1/2 inch out, 0.5. Connect those two. Delete this dimension. Now we'll be able to trim that part. Let's try that again. Straight line, 2.5, 0.5 horizontal. Close that right there. Delete the dimension. Delete that. There we go. We got it trimmed. Okay, so now that we have our actual pattern right, and it's 0.375 inches away from right there, and we had to play with it a little bit to delete the dimensions so that we could actually do some trimming. We are going to finish this sketch and revolve it. So click on revolve. That's our face. That's our axis. And now we have a circular pattern. From here, we have to create a 2D sketch on that face. We are going to put a point in, just like so, and that point has to be 1.65 inches away. So we are going to dimension that to the center and change it to 1.65. Click on our circular tool. Click on our axis, right there, geometry, and we're going to change that to 10. Right there, so we got 10 points, ready to go. Finish sketch, hole, and we are going to change this to 0.5 inches. So they're half-inch holes right there. And the part is pretty well done now. Now we've got to create a 2D sketch for the keyway, which is going to be on that piece right here. We're going to zoom in really close so we can see it. Make a line that is 0.125 tall right there. Horizontal line 0.125 divided by 2, which is going to be half of 0.125, or half of an eighth of an inch. Then you're going to go straight down and see how it intersects that circle right there. Going to do the same thing on the other side. Start from the midpoint. 0.125 divided by 2, and then go down there until it intersects the circle. So you can see all that we've really done is draw a square that intersects the circle. Delete the dimensions. That way we can do some trimming. Trim this middle portion out and finish the sketch. Now we can actually extrude this on out. Select that portion. Instead of coming out at us, we're going to click Cut so that it goes in, distance 1 inch, and we have our keyway actually cut in there. So revolve it or rotate it. Make sure you've got your project geometry actually correct. Keyway's in there correct, and then it looks good. Save it to faceplate and export as a PDF so you can turn it in. So stop this video, rewind, and replay as many times as you need in order to get your geometry correct, get it revolved, and get the keyway cut in.